It was a busy Thursday morning when Tasha Williams, a dedicated and caring nurse in her early 30s, spotted Mr. Collins, an elderly patient, struggling to stand in the hallway. His color was pale, and he clutched the wall for support. Hesitation, Tasha dropped the charts in her hand, knelt beside him, and gently guided him back to a nearby chair. "I'm here, Mr. Collins. Just breathe," she whispered. Asterisk in that moment, the hospital administrator walked by, without asking questions. He issued her a verbal reprimand, stating she had violated protocol by abandoning her assigned patients during morning rounds. Tasha tried to explain, but her words fell on deaf ears. She knew what she'd done was right. She just couldn't watch a man tremble on his feet. By the end of the day, Tasha was called into HR suspended, without pay, pending an investigation. Her colleagues stared, many secretly admiring her, but none spoke out. Asterisk that night. Tasha went home, her heart heavy, her courage quietly buoyed by the thought of doing what was right. She hadn't saved a protocol, she'd saved a life. And she slept knowing she'd make the same choice again. Asterisk 2 days later, Tasha was summoned to the hospital director's office. With trembling heart, she stepped in bracing for bad news. Instead, she saw Mr. Collins, clean-shaven, dignified, and wearing a crisp suit. He smiled at her. Asterisk, "Thank you, Tasha," he said softly. "I'm not just a patient. I'm the owner of this hospital. My family built it decades ago." Tasha's eyes widened in shock. You let me live another day," said Mr. Collins. He continued, "I could have followed protocol too, but I saw humanity instead. I want to ensure you keep your job, permanent suspension removed, full back pay, and a new role leading our patient care. Excellence, team." Asterisk tears welled in Tasha's eyes. She thought she'd lost everything for doing the right thing. Instead, she'd found validation, support, and a chance to impact lives beyond her own unit.